Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the beautiful party wear collections which I am going to show. Booking number is 9711152266. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also do follow my Facebook page. So let us start off with the beautiful collections. Again I repeat, booking number is 9711152266. If you're not able to view any of the video, please do WhatsApp me in the same number. I'll provide you the same. So let us start off with the lovely collections. Here I start off with the beautiful party wear dress in black color, and इसका जो sequence है, these are all very fine sequence. कोई चुभने वाला sequence है नहीं. These are very fine sequence. Okay, and it is in black color. And this one, the back side is like this, front is this, and this one, the size is perfectly fitting my size. 34, 36, 38 can go. 34, 36, 38 can go. It comes with a very cute bow over here, and sleeves are like this. It is just for 1550 free shipping. Just for 1550 free shipping, you can grab this beautiful dress. So look at this. So this is also a very classy piece, and look at the fabric. It is a buttery soft fabric, okay, completely four-way stretch fabric. And this one is of color golden, silver and black. Okay, golden, silver and black. The size which will fit again 36, 38, 40. Okay, 36, 38, 40 can go. A beautiful lightweight dress. It's a very lightweight dress. जिसको short पहनना नहीं पसंद, and people who want to keep it a decent length, they can go for this beautiful dress. 36, 38 and 40. 36, 38 and 40 can go for this beautiful piece. Just for 1650 free shipping. So look at this classy one. This has got the grainy studs, and this one is a very beautiful piece. Again, the size which will fit, it will go 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. Okay, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. आपका ऊपर का में ही waist है, बाकी everything is free fall like this. And for every order you'll be getting an assured gift from my end this time. Okay, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42 can go for this beautiful piece. So यहाँ पे देखिए, it is a sleeveless piece. Okay, and ऊपर ऐसे covered रहेगा. It's a beautiful, very classy piece. Just for 1650 free shipping, you can grab this dress for. So look at this piece. So this is an onion pink color, and ये बहुत ही बड़ा size है. So the size which will fit is 42, 44, 46. Okay, completely stretchable in onion pink color. 42, 44, 46 can go for this. That is the reason it is loose for me. Okay, and fabric is completely stretchable. Okay, यहाँ पे भी stretchable है, यहाँ पे भी stretchable है. 42, 44, 46. So the look will be like this. So look will be like this. 42, 44, 46, very lightweight, and this is also in a shimmery fabric. Okay, a lightweight piece. 42, 44, 46, just for 1250 free shipping. Just for 1250 free shipping. So here comes a beautiful silver and black. Okay, silver and black में रहेगा this pieces, and this one, the size which will fit 40, 42, 44. Okay, the size which will fit 40, 42, 44. Back side में ये आपका ऐसा tying option रहेंगे, and it will pull like this. 40, 42, 44 can go for this beautiful dress in shimmer option. 1250 free shipping. So 1250 free shipping में you can grab this dress for. So look at this beautiful piece. So this is a very classic piece, you can see. So back side it will be till here. Okay, ये आपका मैं दिखा देती हूँ. जो बैक साइड है इसका पूरा देखिए, बैक साइड इट विल बी कम्प्लीटली टिल ऊपर हियर. ठीक है, कम्प्लीटली ऊपर है. बहुत ही सुंदर ड्रेस है. दिस इज इन नेवी ब्लू विथ इनसाइड बेज ऑप्शन. ओके, नेवी ब्लू विथ बेज ऑप्शन में रहेगा. इट्स अ वेरी क्लासी पीस. जस्ट फॉर 1650 फ्री शिपिंग में. एंड दिस वन, द साइज विथ विच विल फिट, दिस इज नॉट स्ट्रेचेबल. सो दिस वन इज परफेक्टली फिटिंग माई साइज. सो 38, 40, maximum 42 can go if you don't have tummy. Otherwise ये मेरा भी tummy है, but it is not showing. It's a very beautiful piece. Back side भी it is showing like this. Okay, so this one is perfectly fitting my size. It is a jumpsuit, and it's a very long jumpsuit because ये सारे मतलब फॉरेन क्लाइंट्स के लिए बने हुए हैं. एंड दिस वन इज परफेक्टली फिटिंग माई साइज 34, 36, 38. 34, 36, 38. Let me show you the fabric. So this will be the fabric. So this is in golden, silver and beige option. Okay, golden, silver and beige में you can grab this for. नीचे तक लाइनिंग रहेगा. Okay, नीचे तक लाइनिंग है. It's a very very classy piece. Just for 1250 free shipping. Just for 1250 free shipping. 34, 36, 38. So look at this beautiful piece. इतना must dress है this one. And this is a long dress in this is in crochet, completely crochet, and below आपका lining रहेगा. It is in black and the size which will fit 42 को भी जाएगा because it is in falling fabric as well. 42, 44, 46, 48. 50 को भी जाएगा because it's sleeveless and the fabric is stretchable. Okay, 50 को भी जाएगा. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. It's a very very premium beautiful piece in just for it is of a higher price, so it is of 1950 free shipping. Okay, it's a very very beautiful piece and really uncommon. Okay, 1950 free shipping. You can grab this for. It's a beautiful dress. Just dress up with a very beautiful jewelry, and I last end up with a very classy party wear jacket. Okay, so this is a party wear jacket. So look at this. It's a very very pretty jacket, and this one, the size which will fit 38 also can go. 40, 42. Okay, 38, 40, 42. Fabric is stretchable. Fabric is stretchable. It's a very very classy piece. Fabric is stretchable. I got, somehow I managed to get only one piece. I actually picked up two, but I don't know, my vendor, I think he provided only one. Okay, it's a very classy piece with the collar style like this, you can see, and it comes with the stylish pocket style as well. And look at this. किसी के साथ भी डालिए, सिंपल ड्रेस को एलिवेट कर देंगे in 1950 free shipping. So these were the collections for today. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.